If you're an Uber driver in 2025, a reliable dash cam isn't just a smart upgrade, it's essential. In this video, we're ranking the top dash cams for rideshare drivers to help you stay protected, record every angle, and keep passengers honest. Stick around to find the perfect cam for your car. Number 1. Nextbase IQ. This is one of the most advanced dash cams available, and one of the priciest. Aimed at pros like Uber drivers, it includes an integrated interior camera with full HD video and infrared night vision in all versions, 1K, 2K, or 4K front cameras. You can also add an optional rear camera. Footage is saved to a micro SD card or uploaded to the cloud via its built-in 4G with a subscription. The IQ draws constant power from your car's OBD2 port, allowing features like remote live streaming and parking alerts through the Nextbase app. Future-ready with promised software updates, it even includes radar tech for AI-driven collision data and theft detection. If you want premium in-car security and recording, the IQ delivers big. Number 2. Vantrue N4. This is a compact 3-channel dash cam that offers great value for rideshare drivers. It records sharp 4K footage from the front camera alone, or 1440p front and 1080p for both interior and rear views when using all 3 cameras simultaneously. While the resolution drops compared to the front-only mode, the overall video quality remains strong. Unlike pricier rivals like the Nextbase IQ, it lacks built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and 4G. You'll need a separate GPS module for speed location data, and footage is transferred manually via microSD. It also supports a low bitrate parking mode, but you'll need the optional hardwire kit. If you can live without advanced connectivity, the N4 is a solid, affordable option that captures multiple angles clearly for added security. Number 3. Viofo A229 Pro 3CH. The Viofo is an excellent value 3-camera dash cam setup that punches well above its price point. What really stands out are the Sony Starvis 2 sensors in the front and rear cameras, which offer superb low-light performance. Perfect for night driving with noticeably less grain than many competitors. The front camera records in crisp 4K, the rear in 2K, and the cabin camera in 1080p. This mix delivers a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Setup is refreshingly simple and doesn't even require the Viofo app, while USB-C connectivity and reliable voice control are nice modern touches. That said, 3 cameras mean lots of cabling, which can quickly get untidy. A professional install with the optional hardwire kit is worth considering, not just for a cleaner look, but for full parking mode coverage too. Number 4. Nexar Pro GPS. This is a great choice for Uber and Lyft drivers who want a simple yet effective setup. It features a front-facing camera and a separate cabin camera, both compact enough to tuck behind the rear-view mirror. Setup is quick, under 5 minutes, and the system connects to your phone via Wi-Fi using the Nexar app, letting you review footage easily. Video quality is solid, recording in 1080p, Full HD with a wide 135-degree field of view. Collision detection is included, and the basic parking mode is powered by the dash cam's internal battery. However, if you want 24/7 coverage, you'll need a model with hardwiring support. There's no display on the unit, but the minimal footprint and reliable performance make it a smart, discreet pick. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. This dash cam isn't cheap, but it offers excellent value for rideshare drivers. This ultra-compact dash cam features dual 180-degree lenses, one for the road ahead and one for the cabin, providing full video coverage around the driver. The front-facing camera records in sharp 1440p, while the interior lens uses Garmin's Night Glow tech to capture clear footage of passengers, even at night. It also features built-in GPS, Wi-Fi for quick footage transfer to your phone, and voice control for hands-free use. A bonus, the charger includes an extra USB port, so you can power another device on the go. It even comes with a 16GB microSD card pre-installed. You can wirelessly link up to 4 Garmin dash cams via the Drive app, creating a cable-free multicam setup. So, which is the best Uber dash cam in 2025? For us, it's the Nextbase IQ. With its smart alerts, cloud connectivity, and unmatched video quality, it's the ultimate co-pilot. Got questions or favorites of your own? Drop them in the comments. Let's chat.